In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A55 and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then select All Services. Click on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Finally, tap on one of your passwords that you wish to delete and enter your current screen lock. Then use the Delete button next to the Edit one and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!